Hi, greetings from Hoysala Coffee and Spices Company, and welcome to the fascinating world of coffee grown in the Western Ghats of India. The Western Ghats of India is a World Heritage Site and is also one of the largest biodiversity hotspots in the world. It is in this environment, with its brilliant flora and fauna, that we grow our coffee in India. We cultivate both Arabica and Robusta coffee. In Arabica, Selection 795, Sachi More and Katwai are the prominent varieties. Selection 795 is a special variety cultivated in India and has very unique characteristics, flavors and notes. In Robusta, we cultivate primarily the Peridenia, also known as Old Robusta, in addition to Scene2R and Selection 274. Selection 274 is one of our special Robustas which we grow in India, developed within the country. We have developed cultivation practices and processing practices. Initially, we used to dry our coffee in the sun on open patios. They evolved into barbecued tiled patios slowly. We used to press by feet the fruit to pulp it and then also to wash it. Today we have reasonably efficient machinery which is available to almost every grower easily to process coffee cleanly and then dry it out in the sun. The uniqueness of our coffee is it's shade grown and sun dried. A lot has been invested into developing processing facilities at the farm level itself and then subsequently at the dry mill level. With both these investments made over the years, we are able to produce truly unique, special coffees in the country and offer them to our consumers around the world. This infrastructure that we have developed in this country enables us to produce specialty coffee on a fairly large scale. At Hoysala Coffee and Spices, our objective is to bring out and highlight these unique coffees from individual farms across the world to our consumers. Each farm takes a lot of trouble during the entire year, from cultivation practice to processing, to produce specialty coffee. Normally, in commercial coffee, all these coffees from these farms are bulked and then offered, and hence the uniqueness of each location is lost. At Hoysala, we look to bring forward and highlight the uniqueness of each farm and its practices. We have 17 farms with whom we work, and therefore are able to offer our consumers a fairly large choice and variety of coffee. We produce both all three kinds: washed, natural and pulp sun-dried coffee. Coffees that you are going to experience will give you a wide understanding of the coffees that we produce in India. There are two special coffees. Shanivar Sante is coffee produced on 3 farms owned and managed by the same growers. These 3 farms are in the same village in different parts of the village. They have different rainfalls and different elevations within the farm because of the kind of terrain that the coffee is grown on. The other coffee, Chikmagalur, is coffee grown on 4 farms in a hobli or a group of villages. Each of these are owned by different growers and managed by different growers. I hope you enjoy these coffees that have been produced with so much care in such a beautiful environment. The last 6 years have been really difficult for coffee in India. We have experienced 2 droughts and 3 floods. In addition to that, this year it rained on our harvest, which made timely harvesting difficult, as well as the effort to make specialty coffee that much harder. This, coupled with low international prices, have put a lot of pressure on the grower to continue growing coffee sustainably in India. The COVID-19 pandemic has added to these problems in many different ways. On one hand, it has restricted worker movement severely, thereby creating a shortage of workers at essential time, which prevented timely operations that need to be done in order to have the farms working properly. Also, it delayed the harvest and therefore reduced the yield for the year. As I mentioned earlier, the rains coupled with this problem were a little too much to handle. Lockdowns in Europe and other coffee consuming countries put in place due to COVID-19, the spread of COVID-19, have further reduced demand and delayed purchases from our regular buyers in countries like Italy, Spain, France and Europe. These have also added to price pressures and yield pressures for the growers in India. However, we look forward to the situation improving, and with vaccines coming and becoming more available to people, hopefully people will come out and consumption will again increase. It is in this background that we'd like to really appreciate the role of Belco and the team at Belco, particularly Anjal, for the work that they have done in supporting us during this time. Supporting us by popularizing our coffee in France and in Europe, also for adopting fair pricing practices and purchase practices. We particularly appreciate them placing their orders prior to the season and really early, giving us adequate time to prepare and produce the quality of coffee that they have bought this year and are presenting to you now. We look forward to coming through these challenging times together successfully. Until then, enjoy your coffee and keep in mind the beautiful environment and conditions in India where we grow this awesome coffee.